sa globo, tanawa. Asa ang Ecuador niro ang equator? Ay, Angelina, sa piling mo na ha. Sige. Isa ka dito. Sige mo, ano, pasagay. Sige, 1, 2, 3, 4. Hoy. Elijah, ako dito kayo mga Elijah, no? Last, no? Oh. I am Mrs. Numilita Kuya, school head of Suba Elementary School, and this is now our situation for the meantime because our building has been ruined by the Typhoon Odett, and we don't have any classroom for the kids, and this is now our situation. We just made a temporary learning shelter made of bamboo and tarpaulin plastic, and the kids were very felt so hot, and during heavy rains our temporary classroom ruined every day. We have to fix it before to start our class, and I am here knocking at your good heart. Please help us because kids are very stressed and the learning the area is not conducive for learning. They felt so exhausted because of the heat of the sun. We don't have enough chairs too. We have to cut classes. We have to make it 2 shifts for them to accommodate one room in the morning and another set for the afternoon. I hope that you will help us. We need it very badly. Thank you very much in advance and God bless. Thank you.